Hi there, and welcome to 272analytics.com's tutorial on how to create a bracketed variable in Stata. In order to do so, we're going to enter a bunch of code at the same time and explain what it means. We're going to create the bracketed variable and then talk you through it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a data set within Stata, census 13. I'm going to call that from the web. Then I'm going to generate a new variable, and I'm going to call it pop_b for population bracket. And I'm going to use the recode command here, and I'm going to use 5 million increments for the variable of population, followed by a comma here, as you can see. Then I'm going to label this new variable as population brackets 5 million, and finally I'm going to create a table of it. So what did all that do? Well, the main insight is we went from a situation in which every state just had a continuous variable for its population, as you can see over here on the left, to a situation here on the right with the new variable where we have these containers, or maybe threshold values as a way to look at them. So that way, for example, this state with a population of 3.8 million got lumped in here to all the states that are below 5 million in population, and the same thing happened for this much smaller state here. It also got lumped into our very smallest category. And then this state, which is California, which has the largest population, got lumped into the largest category, which is between 20 and 25 million over here. So what we did with this bracketing command, I guess you can call it, using recode, is we went from a situation where we had these continuous variables to a container or threshold approach in which all of these individual variables were recoded into these containers. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I would like to invite you to visit 272analytics.com for access to all our free statistics tutorials in Stata, SPSS, R, eViews, and Minitab. Here at 272analytics.com, we provide data consulting primarily to graduate students. Therefore, we work very closely with you in order to perfect your Chapter 3 and Chapter 4. That means helping you design surveys, getting your data input, assisting you with fashioning appropriate research questions and hypotheses, getting your data, extracting them, transforming them, cleaning them, putting them through analysis, interpreting them, explaining them to you, so that at the end of the day, you know exactly what story your data tell, why they matter, what they mean, in a manner that lets you write a perfect Chapter 4. Following a perfect Chapter 3, and lets you defend your dissertation or thesis with complete confidence. We provide ethical consulting. It's not a writing service, so you will be responsible for taking our blueprint, our assistance, our consulting, and transforming them into an appropriate academic project for yourself. I'd also like to remind you that we provide the same services to undergraduate students who are working with quantitatively oriented assignments. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.